Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie once again. Today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this short natural hairstyle. Very cute. If you want to know how I was able to do this, please continue watching the rest of this video. So this is my hair right now. All I did was to apply water on it, so it's quite moisturized at this point. My hair is really thick, and I remember the last time that I cut my hair, I had to make the sides very low and the middle long, and that's why it has like an uneven shape right now. So right now I'm going to pour water on my hair using this spray bottle to moisturize it properly. And then right now I am going to pick my Cantu shea butter. This actually helps natural hair. If you want your hair to be properly moisturized, if you want it to be really soft, this is just the best product that you should use on your hair. So I'm going to apply a little amount on my palms and then rub them together, apply on one side of my hair and then the other side of my hair. Just go in a rotating motion. And right now I'm going to go in with this natural hair cream, and it's really nice. So for all the products that I'll be using, I'll drop them in this description box so that you guys can see. Anytime I want to comb my hair, this is the product that I go for. Like once you just pour it on your hair, you can easily just comb everything out and it just softens the hair. So I'm going to pour water on my hair again using my spray bottle, just so that I can get all the products that I've applied into my scalp properly. And right now I'm going to go in with my eco styling gel. This is the bomb and it's really not expensive. So I'm going to apply a little amount on my palm, apply on one side and then on the other side, and I'm just going to apply that generously around my hair. And then afterwards I'll pick up a little comb that has a very sharp end, just so that I can pat my hair like this. So I'm just going to pat it like this quickly, and then just make sure that the lines are properly done. Just make sure that it's actually straight. Since I'm doing this on myself, it may not really come out perfect, but I'll try, guys. So I'm just going to pat my hair like this. Afterwards I'm going to go in with my eco styling gel in these areas that I have already done, and I'm just going to apply that so that the hair will be properly laid. You just need a little amount of this gel on your hair. Do not go in applying too much. Apply it like this at the back and also at the front, just so that everything can be properly laid and so that it comes out nice. So these are my black tiny rubber bands that I'll be using on my hair today. I'm going to quickly show you guys how I was able to do this. So I'll spray my hair and then I'm going to pat this part that I have right here. After applying my gel, I'm just going to part it into two and then use the rubber band to hold everything in place, just the way you can see me do in the video. Just try and make sure that your lines are really neat, and then also place the rubber bands on this area. Make sure that the rubber bands are firmly placed on your hair. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Really cute. Sometimes I just want a very easy and a perfect style to go about my day with, but most times I don't know what to do. My dear, this is the perfect style for you. It doesn't take up to or more than 15 minutes for you to have achieved this. So this is just the perfect style for you. So right now I'm going to go in with my concealer, just so that these lines can be really precise and sharp. So I'm going to go in with a concealer that looks like, more of my face, just so that these lines can really come out properly done and sharp. And then once that is done, I'm going to go ahead to lay my edges by applying the same eco styling gel on my edges, just a little bit on my baby hairs, and we are good to go. Then I'll pick up a toothbrush and then lay those edges properly just so that it comes out nice. So right now I'm going to pick up thread and I'm going to, cut them into like 4 halves and then join them together, and then I'm just going to place the thread on my head like this, and then I'm going to pull my hair backwards a little bit. I don't want the hair to be at the front, just at the front like that, so I'm just going to use a thread to pull all what I've done to the back a little bit, and then take the thread from the front again towards the back, and then just knot everything at the back. So after cutting the excess thread away, I'm going to pick up my hair extension, and this is from Expression. So I'm going to cut it into 2 like this, and then place it this way, and then place my rubber band at the middle like this, and then start braiding. So I'm going to braid the hair extension until I reach the end. Initially I wanted this hair extension to be really bigger than what it looks like, but my hair is not so full. It's not like really long at the moment, so I had to reduce it a little bit. So this is what I have, and I'm just going to braid this until I reach the end of the hair extension. So this is what we have. I'm going to place the hair extension on top of my head like this. Just make sure that you conceal the bantu, do I call that bantu, that we initially made, and let only the brush at the front just be obvious. And I'm just going to knot it at the back like this, the back of my hair. So this actually works better if your hair is fuller than mine, but if it's not fuller than mine, if this is what your hair looks like, it's still good to go. Just make sure that you pull up your hair a little bit so that it covers the ropes at the back. So instead of using bobby pins, I actually went in with a thread, but I feel like it comes out neater when you use bobby pins. But at the moment I didn't really have bobby pins, so I had to just make use of what I had at that moment, which was thread. So I had to go in with thread, knot it at the back, and this is what we have. And then right now I'm going to style it using these pins right here, these bridal pins. I'm just going to style it and then go in with some extra accessories so that everything comes out really nice. So I actually also do feel like if you're going to create this particular style, you should go in with a hair extension that is actually the color of your hair. It was when I was done with this video that I discovered that I should have gone in with a hair extension that is actually the color of my hair. So if you're going to do this, I think that it would actually come out really cooler and better if you go in with a hair extension that is in the color of your hair. So like I said before, it's better that you just conceal the thread at the back by pulling, just dragging your hair upwards a little bit, and then I'm just applying the gel inside my hair like this, and then at the back of my hair, just so that the thread doesn't show, just so that it's not so obvious at the back. And then I'm going to hide the rubber bands as well. So right now I had to cover my hair with a silk fabric just so that I could lay my edges properly and so that everything looks good. So this is it, guys. This is what we have. This is what the hair looks like. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. I love you all so much, and please do comment in the comment section if you want to see more of this kind of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.